Why Your Life Sucks. A story that will wake you up. There was a guy named Ryan. He was 24 years old, broke, out of shape, and completely lost in life. Every day he followed the same miserable routine. Wake up late, scroll through his phone for hours, watch useless videos, complain about his problems, and go to sleep feeling even worse than before. He blamed everything. His parents didn't give him enough support. The economy was bad. His job paid too little. He wasn't lucky like those rich guys on the internet. He believed the world was unfair. One evening, Ryan was sitting in a small cafe, sipping cheap coffee, when an old man sat across from him. The man was well-dressed, confident, and had a sharp look in his eyes. He had the kind of presence that made people listen when he spoke. The man looked at Ryan and asked, "Why does your life suck?" Ryan smirked, ready to unload his list of problems. "Because life is hard. I wasn't born rich. The system is rigged. No matter how hard I try, nothing ever works out for me." The old man chuckled and shook his head. "No, your life sucks because of you." Ryan frowned. "What do you mean?" The man leaned in, his voice calm but firm. "Every single day you wake up and make choices. Lazy choices, weak choices. You choose to waste time instead of learning. You choose comfort over growth. You choose to complain instead of taking action. And now you're sitting here, acting like a victim. When the truth is, you did this to yourself." Ryan sat in silence. The man continued, "The world doesn't care about your excuses. Nobody's coming to save you. If you're broke, it's because you haven't worked hard enough. If you're out of shape, it's because you haven't trained. If you have no motivation, it's because you've let yourself become weak." Ryan swallowed hard. No one had ever spoken to him like that before. The man leaned back and smirked. "You think life is unfair? Let me tell you something. Life doesn't care. It rewards the strong and punishes the weak. The moment you stop making excuses and start taking control, everything changes." Then he delivered the final truth. Weak men blame, strong men build. Ryan walked home that night, his mind racing. He looked at himself in the mirror and saw the truth. His life sucked because of his own choices. And at that moment, he decided he would never be the same again. He deleted the useless apps on his phone. He started waking up early. He hit the gym. He read books. He worked harder at his job. And day by day, he built a version of himself that he could be proud of. A year later, Ryan was unrecognizable. He was in shape. He had more money. He carried himself with confidence. People respected him. And it all started with one simple realization. No one was coming to save him. He had to save himself. So why does your life suck? Because you let it. You want money? Earn it. You want confidence? Build it. You want success? Work for it. No excuses. No waiting. Only action. The world belongs to those who take it. Are you ready?